When a product sticks around for decades, you know it's doing something right. That's KODAK Photo Tex Repositionable fabric. Proven on walls, windows, and doors, KODAK Photo Tex delivers bold, removable graphics that install effortlessly and reposition easily. Customers have relied on KODAK Photo Tex for years to provide vibrant color and sharp detail across multiple ink technologies. Just peel, place, and smooth. And if you need to adjust, lift and reposition without damaging walls or leaving sticky residue. From retail promotions to office branding, to home decor and event signage, KODAK Photo Tex sticks to almost any surface. Walls, glass, doors, and more. Print shops in more than 60 countries choose KODAK Photo Tex because it's reliable, versatile, and installer-friendly. Pros love it for everything from boutique shops to major brand rollouts. The results speak for themselves. Smooth edges, clean removal, and long-lasting hold that never harms surfaces. KODAK Photo Tex. Print boldly. Install easily.